I love using the Liquitex acrylic inks with my bamboo sketching pen, especially to write some journaling into my art journal. This one was prepared with some acrylic paints, and I'm using the carbon black Liquitex ink with a bamboo sketching pen, as I said, and I have two different ones. This one is a little bit more like a calligraphy tip pen, so you can do thicker lines, you can do some really nice shadowing when you do sketching. And this one is a little bit more pointy, so you can do like finer lines and finer writing. So it's just a little bit up to you what you like to use. If I do a bigger title, I use the calligraphy tip one. So you could definitely dip your pen right into the acrylic inks if they're clean. I mean, the sketching pen, if that's clean, you know, and not contaminated, but I'm a very clumsy person and I like to spill my open bottles over my journals. So I use my butcher tray as a palette and just put some paint into this to not make a fool of myself while I'm videotaping that. And then it's pretty much it's a dipping pen. So as the name says, you have to dip into the ink all the time. So you dip right, dip right, dip right, dip right. You get the picture. So no, it doesn't hold a lot of paint, and that's what some of you have asked me. You know, I can hardly write a letter. Yep, you're not doing anything wrong, at least not in my list. That's exactly how I do it too. But the wonderful thing is, even if you have texture like I have in the background from the acrylic paints, you can go into all those nice creases with the acrylic ink, and it's also nice to write on there on the acrylic. So no matter how hard it is, I always smile like an idiot, and I'm doing it right now. I'm smiling. Okay, doesn't sound that way, I know, but anyway, I do. You can also use the bamboo sketching pen, of course, to do some sketching, and I'm kind of faking it here because I did it already a little bit, but you get the picture. You can do some really fun stuff with it, and I love the look of acrylic inks and the bamboo sketching pen, so just give it a try. And I also love to use it just on used books or like old dictionaries that I don't want to have anymore, like this Latin one. And then you can color in with acrylic inks into your drawings, or you just do a spill and then draw over it. And you can use also different colors. Like here, I used first the sepia and then I colored in. So just to give you some ideas how you can use it, it's so much fun. Give it a try.